Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are joined by around 70 students here. We also extend our warm welcome to our distinguished speaker, Mr. Nawin Chirapant. Welcome.
I'd like to take a moment to extend our warmest greeting to all of them, to our team from Royal Thailand, Jakarta, and to all UTA 45 Jakarta students who have come today to this lecture.
Has like a landslide results of the elections and
studying international relations. Even if you're not a student of international relations, like those economic business student over there.
Like when I ask someone where are you from, I'm from Indonesia, can I just say I'm from Earth instead of I'm from Indonesia? Yeah.
I also wonder that, but if we do that, then I will be out of a job, right? Exactly. That's a good one for your mind.
Indonesia, Singapore, Laos, Vietnam, USA.
So this is easy for you.
We can fix it, but it just posts on social media, it just posts on Instagram, and it's not effective. And I wanted to ask your opinion. How can governments support and encourage youth-led projects or voices emerging from social media, aiming to strengthen partnerships with the nations, like, for example, Indonesia and Thailand? Thank you.
How can I apply for a scholarship towards the Thailand International Cooperation Agency? Okay, thank you.
Students are very true to the development of the region, but also passionate and enthusiastic. I think when I ask a question, very easy to get answers, and also during the question and answer period, some very thought-provoking questions for myself, even that there's no doubt about it that the Indonesian future is in good hands with the youth today.
Thank you. Dari kedubes Thailand, harapannya ke depan ini akan berlanjut kerjasamanya dalam bentuk internship, dan juga yang sudah tadi mendapatkan respon positif adalah dalam waktu dekat kita akan melakukan kerjasama. Yang pertama untuk kunjungan ke embassy, dan yang kedua juga akan dibantu untuk follow up kerjasama antara Prodi HI dengan universitas yang ada di Thailand. Nah, semoga harapan ini tidak hanya menjadi harapan, tapi bisa terrealisasi dengan baik antara Prodi Hubungan Internasional dan juga universitas dan juga kedubes Thailand selanjutnya. Terima kasih.